Let's see. There were the lies.
What?
Judges sigh.
What?
And now ABC cries.
What?
ABC News is about to cough up $15 million in an anti-defamation lawsuit against the president-elect
Why?
for talking shit about him.
What kind of shit is that?
I'm Jasper Gonzo, and this. What does Trump do in 2024? He just wins.
You are correct, sir.
And that's what's next. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Jasper Gonzo, what's next? Your daily dose, common sense, facts, and salt. Hope you guys are feeling good today on this Monday. Well, I'm feeling pretty good. My Eagles played yesterday, and just like Trump, they keep winning. Speaking of Trump, did you know that he won a lawsuit? You know, might have got pushed to the side. You know, with all the drones flying around all over New Jersey and New York and Maryland and Philadelphia, and we don't know where the hell they're coming from anyway. But ABC's crying because they've got to cough up $15 million in an anti-defamation lawsuit against the president-elect for talking shit about him. Oh, and you can hear that? Yeah, that's all the crying. And here we go. This comes out of Breitbart. ABC News, Stephanopoulos settled defamation lawsuit with Trump, pays $15 million and a forced apology. Gee, that's got to hurt worse than the money. ABC News and anchor George Stephanopoulos agreed to settle a defamation lawsuit with the president-elect Donald Trump and had filed and will pay him $15 million attorney fees and issue a public apology. The Hill reported that the news outlet and Stephanopoulos agreed to issue a public apology and to provide $15 million that will go towards Trump's future presidential library. Yes, it will be donated. The outlet noted that under its settlement agreement, along with $15 million in escrow to go towards Trump's future library, ABC News agreed to pay $1 million in attorney's fees and add an editor's note to the bottom of the relevant article. Under the settlement agreement, the network will pay $15 million in escrow to ultimately be used towards Trump's future presidential library and foundation. ABC News also agreed to pay $1 million in attorney fees and basically give a mea culpa, basically getting on their hands and knees and saying, we're sorry. ABC News and George Stephanopoulos regret statements regarding President Donald J. Trump during an interview by George Stephanopoulos with Representative Nancy Mace on ABC's This Week, March 10th of this year. ABC News must also issue a statement of regret for the slander of the incoming president, which occurred during the election cycle. As Breitbart News' Wendell Husbo previously reported in March, Trump filed a defamation lawsuit against ABC News and Stephanopoulos. Trump claimed that his reputation was besmirched by Stephanopoulos, claiming during an interview with Representative Nancy Mace that the two juries had found Trump liable for the rapies in the case against E. Jean Carroll. Yes, if you ever looked at a picture of E. Jean Carroll, yeah, that would be the Crypt Keeper. The incident occurred during Stephanopoulos' interview with Representative Nancy Mace on March 10th. Stephanopoulos said during the interview, judges and two separate juries have found him liable for the rapies for the defamation victim of that rapie. How do you square your endorsement of Donald Trump with the testimony we just saw? An ABC News spokesperson expressed statement to The Hill that the news outlet was, quote, pleased that the parties have reached an agreement to dismiss the lawsuit on the terms of the court filing. Yeah, because they were going to lose in open court and cough up more than $15 million had they went there. Quote, it's encouraging to see that legacy media is being held accountable for slandering someone they politically oppose, Breitbart News senior legal contributor Ken Kowalski said in a response to the settlement. The Supreme Court in 1964 improperly invented a First Amendment defamation shield, which comes to public figures like President Trump. So this settlement highlights just how outrageous Stephanopoulos' lies were, and should be emboldened for Republicans and conservatives to push back in the face of such egregious misconduct. Again, I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised that more media types haven't been taken to the woodshed in regards to talking shit, not just about, President-elect Donald Trump or about any public figure. And it should, absolutely. How many times have we seen over the years that you've had media just, slam, Hollywood actors, a lot of it's true, but still slam them nonetheless. And of course, slam Jane and Joe. Those are the ones that get screwed over the most because they've got no really, recourse. They can't hire high-priced attorneys to fight back. We've seen it during the COOF pandemic. But with this, to accuse the man of doing the rapies, when basically there was a settlement. And like I said during the article read, if he's ever, have you ever seen E. Jean Carroll? Yikes. You got to be asking yourself, why would Trump do this? Which, of course, I don't believe he did, but with her? Anyway. Being that said, Trump is $15 million richer. Well, his foundation is $15 million richer. And, of course, ABC's $15 million poorer. And to see the legacy media cry, oh, I love it. Mwah. Chef's kiss. And again, just like in 2024's election, all Trump does is win. And with that being said, I'm Jazz Berganzo. This is What's Next. Want to see more like this? Please leave a comment below. Like it, share, subscribe to it. Hit that notification bell so you guys never miss a thing. Continue spreading the word about the show. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.